Hey guys, this is Candy and I'm here in my kitchen getting ready to juice um, some fruits, and I figured that I would, well, fruits and vegetables, because the little boy, my son, is not feeling well. He apparently got a cold, and so I figured that I would, give him something to boost his resistance and to just to boost the immune system overall. So I thought that I would just stop and show you the combination of ingredients that I will be juicing, because the fact of the matter is, if you treat the inside, if you take care of the inside, then it usually shines through on the outside. You will stay healthier, you will have cleaner skin, you will have healthier hair. It's just a principle that never fails. I'm sure you guys have heard the popular saying, garbage in, garbage out. So I'm sure that if you put healthy stuff in, then that health will shine through in the skin, in the health of your hair, in your resistance, your immune system. Everything will line up if you ingest healthier stuff. So I'm going to be showing you what I'm juicing today. It's a combination of fruits and veggies, as I mentioned before. So yeah, I'm using celery, which is a vegetable, and it is high in water content, rich in fiber. It has vitamin K, vitamin C, folate, potassium, and a whole host of other benefits. I'm using some broccoli stems, you guys. A lot of people use their broccoli, the florets, and then they discard this part of the broccoli. You guys, you're doing yourself an injustice if you do that, because this can be juiced. This can be used to make a coleslaw, put in a salad, cook it down with your meats. It has a whole host of benefits. So I'm using that, and the stems, they're rich in calcium, iron, and vitamin C, and especially in the case of building boosting the immune system, vitamin C is awesome. I'm using a half of a huge cucumber, and again, water content is awesome, and very prevalent in cucumber. Also has vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, manganese, and other other benefits. And guys, if you eat a lot of foods that has high water content, then it gives you healthy, glowing skin. Yeah, don't tell anybody that I told you. That's our secret. And I also have some kale stems, you guys, and this is another thing that back in the past, when I didn't know better, I used to throw away the stems. When I took off the actual kale to use, I would get rid of the stems. But now I'm realizing that there's benefit in every part of the vegetable, you guys. So the kale is rich in antioxidant. It's also rich in vitamin K, vitamin C, and it's good to reduce cholesterol and reduce your risk of heart disease. So yes. And of course, another thing that we tend to throw away, I used to do it too. I was guilty of throwing out my pineapple core. When you slice up your pineapple and you take out that softer part that you eat, I typically would throw out the core, which is a harder inside part of the pineapple. However, once I realized that I can juice it, then I always save it back and juice it. So I'm going to be using pineapple, and that is rich in antioxidant, vitamin C, and fiber. Yes, yes, yes. And apple, of course. We all know the famous saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, because apple is rich in fiber, vitamin C, A, E, B2, B3, B this, B that, you name it, apple has it. So apple is awesome also. And ginger, of course, it is good for the blood flow, and it reduces inflammation. So yeah, there you go. That will help to keep your gut healthy and to help with digestion. So alright, so this is going to be my green juice, you guys. So everything over here is going to be going into my green juice recipe. And then over here I have a beet and carrot combination, and of course I'm putting just some celery, the ginger, and some of the pineapple just to sweeten it up a little bit. But the carrot, as you guys already know, is rich in beta carotene, fiber, of course vitamin C, vitamin K, and other why do I keep saying ingredients, and other benefits. And the beetroot is rich in fiber, folate, vitamin C, iron. It's good if you have high blood pressure, diabetes, you name it. These ingredients are awesome, you guys, for introducing a healthier diet. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna move right on into the juicing and show you guys how they turn out. And there you have it, you guys. This is the amount of juice that I yielded from the fruits and the veggies that I showed you earlier. This is a good amount of juice, you guys. This bottle, I'm not sure how much it is, but I know it's more than a quart. Yeah, so it's not that bad. I mean, some people might be intimidated by the whole juicing process because it appears to take long, but it's, I kid you not. You just pretty much peel the veggies that you need to peel. Not all of them needs peeling. Wash them properly. The juicing takes absolutely no time at all. And a big part of the intimidation comes with the whole hassle of having to clean up and wash the different parts of the machine after you're done. And yeah, I get it. It can be annoying, but it's worth the benefit that your entire body will reap from juicing. And I have a little hack that I want to show you guys. Once you take the top off, this particular Hamilton Beach juicer, it comes with this catchment here that you would usually, you know, set to catch the pulp. But what I do is I put a plastic bag inside of the bin, and so I just lift the whole thing out and discard of the bag. Yay! No washing necessary. Well, not much, nothing to talk about or nothing to call home about. Yeah, and it's just to remove this, and you have to brush this part. But yeah, whatever. This is the benefit. All right, so in order to get the reward, you have to put in the work. Yeah, there you have it. My green juice and my red juice. So just want to encourage you guys to get juicing. Whatever you have in your refrigerator, you don't have to use this particular combination. You might not like certain ingredients, and I can tell you guys, if there's a particular thing that you might not like to eat on its own, for example beet, you'd find that if you juice it, and with the apple and the ginger and the pineapple and all the other things that you add in, you literally do not taste the beet, or you definitely won't taste the carrot on its own. So it's awesome, you guys. So just try it out, and until next time, this is Candy signing out. Peace.